Hi you guys. So I just wanted to do this really quick get ready with me. I'm about to head out. I'm gonna go catch the train. And I just wanted to sit down really quickly and say, hey, how you guys doing? I'm doing all right. I am. I want to say thank you so much for all you guys beautiful comments and all of your support. We really appreciate it when we just announced we're gonna be moving, and it was so much positive feedback, so thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. And I never got to thank you guys so much. I'm over 10K now. I'm like 10,500 something, so thank you so much. Oh, it just brightens my heart. It's just so awesome. So thank you so much for all of the positive feedback. So now I'm just gonna do a really quick get ready with me. I'm just gonna fill my brows in. I'm using my MAC Spike and just a little spoolie brush to brush them up. And now I just go back in with the little spoolie brush again and just brush through. And then I use the concealer and an angle brush just to clean up and just to give it a little more definition. And there you go. That's my brow. Okay, now that I have my brows done, I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer and my Beauty Blender and I don't know why I'm always breaking out around my jawline. It's really annoying. I don't know if it's certain perfumes that I put on, but I try not to put it directly on my skin, so I'm not quite sure, but and there you have it. That's my foundation tinted moisturizer. I love it. And then I'm just going to go back in just to give myself a little more glow, and I'm going to use this Radiant by Smashbox, and I don't see a color, but look at that glow already. Alrighty, now I'm going to use a little more of this Dior concealer as my just to help my eyeshadow stick. It's going to be a very neutral eye is what I'm going for. And I'm going to use my Radiant Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and these are the colors that's in there. Really pretty colors. So I'm going to use this brownie color here as my transition, and probably go back in with this for the lid color there. So that's what I'm about to do. And now I'm just going to use a flat brush and add a little sparkle to the lid. Okay, and I'm going to go back in with this brush and just blend it all together. I'm going to go back in one more time with the dark brown and this very lightly and shake off my brush and do this outer V here. Okay. Okay. And since I have a little fallout, I just take this little brush and brush any fallout away. And then you just use your brush and just, you can use your beauty blender and just blend it out. And that's my eyes there. Okay, my Hot Mama, I've been using this spot for so long. It's by the Balm. I've been having this for so long, and I just love that it gives a nice glow. It's like a nice peachy pink. And it's a tad bit too much, so I'll go back in again with my beauty blender just to tone it down. Perfect. And again, I just love this. I either go between my Becca highlight and my Order Street Couture highlights. Either one. I love both of them. But I'm going to go ahead and grab yet again my Order Street Couture. This is how it looks. I know I show you guys this all the time, every time I do, but I just love it. And once again, I use my beauty blender just to tone it down, just a tad bit. I just wiped that Carmex off, and I'm just going to use this Old Honey by MAC, and now I'm just going to use this lipstick here. And that's a little bit too pink for me. So let me wipe some of it off. And I'm going to use my favorite lip gloss, Chanel 722. And a little bit of mascara. This is my least favorite beauty product. I do not like my lashes to be all hard. Sometimes the mascara and liner irritates my eyes because I have bad allergies. But nonetheless, still wear. And I need. Okay, this is my simple on the go makeup. I'm just going to use this tiny little brush and put a little bit of that Order Street Couture highlight right here. That's a little more to open up my eyes. And a little bitty trick that I love to do is put a little bit right here. And there you go. My makeup of the day. Super cute, nice and simple. How my makeup will be for today. It's so pretty. Look at the glow. So pretty. You see how that little extra sparkle? I love that. I do that often. How simple was this makeup look? And it did not take me long at all to do. If you just use key products, the ones that enhance things, and you won't have to use as much. So that's my face of the day. So let's get ready so we can head out to the train station. So okay, you guys, I'm all dressed and it is starting to rain outside. Which is a bummer, but this is what I have on. I have this sweatshirt. This is actually a sweatshirt out the men's department. But this is the sweatshirt from the Weekender, and will you guys see that? The back. Oh, Can you see? I don't know if you guys can see, but on the back it also has like some beading. It's really a nice sweatshirt. Fun. So, oh, I didn't show you my pants. Ah, almost forgot. So these are my pants that I'm gonna wear, my sparkly pants. They came from, where did they come from? Ooh, H&M. That's the pants right here, and you see they have like a line going down. They're sparkly. So these, and I love wearing men's shirts. They're a bit more comfortable. They fit me a little well, especially with my weight fluctuating, with all that good stuff. And this is, I mixed my perfumes. So I'm wearing the Hermes and a little bit of the Chloe original. Oh my god, I love these so much. So that's what I'm gonna wear. And because it started raining, I'm going to just grab my riders right here and my rain jacket, and that's gonna be my outfits of the day. I hope you guys enjoy this get ready with me. I may change my earrings out just to have a little more, I don't know, we'll see. But this was my get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoy. I had so much fun. It was a very simple outfit. It took me like all of 5 minutes to go grab a sweatshirt and some leggings. Under my leggings, I do have like the fleece leggings under it because I do not like to be cold at all. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these type of videos. I had so much fun. Stick around. I'm gonna take you along as I travel through Europe on the train alone. I know it's a little bit scary. I always carry this with me, my good old mace. I don't leave without it. I put it in all my bags. And you guys enjoy this get ready with me. I really had so much fun. Bye. Bye.